I'm Mike Miller, Vice President of Program Development with PPC Canada. PPC Canada is a leading health and wellness and employee assistance services company based in Vancouver, and we're part of a larger global organization called PPC Worldwide, which provides EAPs on a global basis. Well, as part of a new market strategy for our organization, we made the decision to revitalize and redesign our account management and business development team. And so part of that, we had some very specific specifications in mind for the kind of individuals we needed to work with us and deliver value to our customers and prospects. So approximately a year ago, we started a recruiting process, and we worked actually with a couple of different other firms to find appropriate candidates. And however, in both cases, we found that we weren't able to get the right match. And we came close a number of times, but we found there were some specific characteristics within our business and our requirements that didn't match the candidates we were getting. And so it was a frustrating delay in filling our requirements. Well, as I mentioned, we've been through a couple of other recruiting firms, and I had met Donna previously in the past and decided that it would be a good time to re-engage with her and actually talk about our search requirements. And we actually had decided to add 2 positions at this point, and sat down with Donna, and the first thing she wanted to know about, which I think was really important, was our business, to understand our business and also understand how these roles interacted within that business and with our prospects and customers. And I think that's probably a key point. The second key point would be that she took time to really understand the duties and responsibilities for these roles and where they spent most of their time. As many people know, in sales, it's a very broad term, and each sales or account management role can be quite different, and she really took the time to understand specifically what were the key components. So after our initial meeting, I was impressed because Donna was able to come back within the week and actually replay back to me kind of her observations and perspectives and her strategy for filling the position. And I thought that was very impressive because she has a lot of sales experience, and that came through, and she was able to really nail the requirements that we had quite appropriately. Well, one of the unique components to our business is that relationships are very, very critical in terms of getting business and doing business. And I think Donna understood that and was able to come up with a profile for the positions we required that took that into account. And I think that's important because there's a lot of sales jobs which are much more commodity focused or quick turnaround, which is not our business. And it's a different type of person that's needed for that, and I think she really figured that out very quickly. Well, after that initial series of meetings, Donna was very quick to bring us some really high quality candidates, and from that initial grouping, we were able to select and interview and hire a really great candidate. And not too long after, she came back a second time and was able to provide us with another 2 or 3 great candidates, and from there we made another hire. So we've been extremely pleased. Both candidates are doing very well in their roles, and they fit the culture, they fit our customers' requirements. We've had very positive feedback, and we couldn't be happier. And there's no doubt in my mind that if someone was asking me for sales and account management type roles, a very strong recruiting agency, I would without a doubt recommend Rossi and Associates.